Hi there, good evening, and Dr. Stuti with you again. And right now, I'm in my official professional gear. This morning, I created a video, actually very shabby look, and I was in my exercise gear, and I just wanted to, I just felt like, perhaps I should shoot my plank with you, and so I did. So here I am again with you all, and it's been, I think, 2 weeks since I created video last. I just wanted to ask all of you how you all are doing, and considering that we all are catching up with the phase that we are going through right now with corona, and things are normalizing and people's lives are coming back on track, although it's not completely yet, but still I think people are back in the grind of their everyday life. And so this this video is just a general conversation, and I just wanted to talk about how you are doing with your immunity, and whether you are eating well, having lots of fresh vegetables and fruits. And I just wanted to let you all know that keep away from any kind of refined and processed foods, which also includes the oils that you use at home to cook your vegetables or food in. And so the recommended edible oils that I usually advise to my patients are organic coconut oil, edible oil that you can get probably on Amazon and probably at big supermarket, and the sarson ka tel, which is mustard seed oil, and it has to be once again very much organic double filtered groundnut oil or sesame oil. So these are the kinds of oils that you want to use. And you can also use ghee, but ghee cannot be used for every food. You can use ghee and butter, but avoid vegetable oils, refined oils, because they would they spoil the mechanism in the body, and they make your immune system weak. So lot of vitamin C fruits, and you can also have vitamin C as a supplement, so that whatever you aren't able to have through wholesome food, you can do it as a supplement, so that you can do. Eat dry fruits, stay positive, let your mind be always positive. And if you struggle with keeping your mind positive, you still have to do things, positive things that can help you, that can create positivity in you and positive thoughts in you. We all are struggling, and there are lots of things going on in the world, lot of bad things also that we hear on an everyday basis, that change our moods, that change the entire outlook that we have towards life. But I would say that there is hope, and we just need to focus on the very good things. Yes, there are bad things in the world which we have to accept, and we just have to make sure that we are not into the grind of that bad things that we hear, but that we replace our energy. We need to be positive. So a lot of prayers, and a lot of spiritual connection, a lot of me time, and also cleaning up your house and doing your household chores can also lift up your energy levels. And which I do, and I love to do that. So you can do that as well. So yes, I guess that just do this. And I am once again very much thankful to people who are catching up with my videos, and thank you so much for watching them. And I today Shruti isn't there because she isn't well, so she is resting. But we plan to bring on valuable content. I am planning to create mind programming series, where I train you to know understand the basics of mind and how it works, and many people are still confused, about the terminology about conscious mind, subconscious mind, and how does our like how what role our emotions play, and how to understand ourselves better, how to balance our emotions. So it's a series basically, and it's more or less going to be like training. And so I am working on it, I'm working on the content, and when once it is prepared, then I will be bringing that to you. So until then, until my next video, you guys take care, and I hope you're taking good care of your both the emotional and the physical health. Stay positive, fight for justice. Just over this past few days, I've been very passionate and following up with the news of even Sushant Singh Rajput, and I only believe that the truth will come out. And so when you see bad happening, I think all you can do is pray. When things aren't in your hand, when you aren't in control of what is happening, but you are in control of one thing, and that is prayer. And that's what I tend to do. When I am not able to do much, I pray, I send those positive vibes, and we all need to do that. Our responsibility is towards us and towards the society that we live in. All right, so take care, god bless you all, and lots and lots and lots of love to you all. Have a great evening ahead. Bye for now.